In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block an IP address in Cloudflare. Whether you're dealing with unwanted traffic, potential security threats, or simply trying to manage who can access your website, blocking an IP address is an effective way to protect your online presence. Cloudflare provides a straightforward set of tools to help you handle this, and by the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge to block any IP address quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, head over to the Cloudflare website and log into your account. This is the essential first step, as all your configurations and settings are managed through your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all the domains associated with your account. From here, locate the domain you want to manage and click on it. This will take you to the domain-specific settings where you can customize security and other features. Now that you're in the domain management window, look for the Security tab. It's usually located toward the top of the page or along a side menu. Click on it to access all the security-related tools and options for your domain. Once inside the security section, find the Web Application Firewall, or WAF for short. This is the feature that allows you to create rules to filter and manage incoming traffic to your site. Click on the WAF section to proceed. Within the Web Application Firewall area, you'll see an option for custom rules. This is the section where you can create and manage your own traffic filtering rules. Based on your specific needs, click on the Custom Rules option to open it. Next, look for the Create Rule button and click on it. This is where you'll begin setting up a new rule to block the IP address in question. Once you've clicked it, you'll see a new window or section where you can configure the details of your rule. The first step in creating your rule is to give it a name. In the rule name field, enter something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. For example, you might name it Blocked IP Rule or something similar that makes sense to you. A clear, meaningful name is always helpful for managing multiple rules in the future. After naming your rule, it's time to configure the conditions. Look for the field labeled IP source address. This is the setting that determines which IP address will be affected by your rule. Once you've selected this option, enter the specific IP address you want to block in the value field. Be sure to double-check the IP address to ensure it's correct, as this rule will only apply to the address you specify. Now, move to the Choose Action field. This is where you define what happens when traffic from the specified IP address tries to access your site. In this case, you'll want to select Block. This ensures that any request from the IP address you entered will be denied access to your website. Finally, to save and apply your new rule, click the Deploy button. Once you've done this, the rule will go live and the specified IP address will be blocked from accessing your domain. That's it. You've successfully set up a custom rule to block an IP address in Cloudflare. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.